long bone. So, as we can see, there are many parts of the long bone. This top section here is called your epiphysis, where the epiphyseal plate is located, also known as your growth plate. These are at both ends of the long bone, and the center part is the diaphysis, which is also known as the shaft. The long bone is made up of compact bone, which is the outer part of the bone. And inside the epiphysis is spongy bone, which is where blood vessels are made. Then we go down, and there's the periosteum, which is the outer connective tissue located on the medullary cavity, which is in the bone's endosteum. On the ends of the epiphysis, we have the articular cartilage, where articulation occurs. And the matrix inside of the spongy bone is called the trabeculae. The endosteum is a connective tissue lining the medullary cavity on this outer part right here. Inside the diaphysis, we have veins and arteries, along with yellow bone marrow, which is made up of fat. The red bone marrow inside the epiphysis is made up of blood. That's why it's red. And we have also in the periosteum fibrous layers and cellular layer, which are all located in the medullary cavity. The three sections can be broken up into the proximal epiphysis, the diaphysis, and the distal epiphysis, which looks just like the proximal epiphysis. And that is the structure of the
Hey there. We're going to talk about the long bone today. Structure, function, etc. Long bone. Long bones are hard, dense bones that provide strength, structure, and mobility. The thigh bone, femur, is a long bone. A long bone has a shaft and two ends. Some bones in the fingers are classified as long bones, even though they are short in length. Let's take a look right here, shall we? I'll flip it around so you can see better. Look at this. A student of mine made this really great project here, and we're going to describe some of the parts. This is the long bone. It has a lot of different labels on it, so if you want to look at those, get a little close-up on that. But you can't forget about the osteons. The space between osteons is occupied by interstitial lamellae, which are the remnants of osteons that were partially reabsorbed during the process of bone remodeling. Osteons are connected to each other and the periosteum by oblique channels called Volkmann's canals or perforating canals, which are right here. You see these little guys, these little numbers right here? Veins and arteries. That's how they pass through. Also nerves. So right here, as you can see, is the osteocyte and the lacunae. And I can't really read upside down, so I don't canaliculi. But let's jump back to the long bone. We're jumping back right in here. This is my specialty. We're talking about trabeculae, found in spongy bone. Articular cartilage, outside of the epiphysis. The spongy bone, right here. We're going to talk about the vein, the artery. Who knew? The diaphysis is the middle part of the bone. Yellow bone marrow, yellow, therefore yellow bone marrow. Monocytes, I think. Red bone marrow is found in this epiphysis, red blood cells. Hematopoiesis makes red blood cells. What don't we know now? There you go. There was a short little talk about the long bone.